Welcome to Prep Joy Current Affairs. Subscribe to our channel and also visit www.prepjoy.com to learn current affairs. Topic for today's video is 12th October Current Affairs English Notes. Aditi Maheshwari became British High Commissioner to India for a day. Aditi Maheshwari of Rajasthan recently became British High Commissioner to India for one day. She has won the High Commissioner's Day competition held annually since 2017 to celebrate the International Day of the Girl Child on the 11th of October. She participated in the India-UK Energy for Growth dialogue with Ministers Raj Kumar Singh and Kwasi Kwarteng. Sports Minister Anurag Thakur launches Delhi Hockey Weekend League. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Anurag Thakur, launched the Delhi Hockey Weekend League 2021-22 on the 10th of October 2021. This measure is happening at Dhyan Chand National Stadium. It is being organized by the Sports Authority of India in association with the Delhi Hockey Federation. Valtteri Bottas wins Turkish Grand Prix. Valtteri Bottas won the Turkish Grand Prix on the 10th of October 2021. Verstappen emerged as runner-up and his Red Bull teammate Sergio Perez Ferrari came in third. Ferrari's Charles Leclerc came fourth, ahead of seven-time world champion Hamilton. International Day of the Girl Child 2021, the 11th of October. International Girl Child Day is celebrated every year on the 11th of October. In 2021, this day will be celebrated with the theme Digital Generation, Our Generation. On the 18th of December 2011, the United Nations General Assembly declared the 11th of October as International Day of the Girl Child. Railways introduces two long-distance goods trains, Trishul and Garuda. Indian Railways introduces two long-distance goods trains, Trishul and Garuda. These long-distance trains provide an effective solution to the problem of capacity crunch in critical sections. Trishul is the first long-distance train of South Central Railway consisting of three goods trains, i.e. 177 wagons. Telangana, Uttarakhand launch mobile court unit. Telangana and Uttarakhand became the first states in the country to start a mobile court unit. The objective of the mobile court unit is to facilitate recording of evidence of women and child victims or witnesses, doctors and medical practitioners, if required. These mobile courts are for subordinate courts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Indian Space Association on Monday. Prime Minister Modi said space plays an important role in connecting the world. Addressing the program on this occasion, Prime Minister Modi said that there has never been such a decisive government in India today. The Prime Minister said that the reforms taking place in India today regarding the space sector and space technology. Malayalam writer Benjamin wins Vayalar Award. Benjamin has received the Vayalar Ram Verma Memorial Literary Award for monthly Ryle 20 Communist Varshangal. The prestigious award instituted by the Vayalar Ram Verma Memorial Trust consists of a cash prize, a statue and a citation. It was selected for recognition by the author's expert panel. Aryabhatta Award to G. Satish Reddy. DRDO Dr. G. Satish Reddy has been awarded the Aryabhatta Award. Dr. Reddy is a pioneer in R&D of advanced avionics, navigation and missile technologies. Dr. Reddy has contributed immensely in strategic and strategic missile systems. Telecom Secretary asks C. to work on 6G, launches Quantum Communication Lab. K. Rajaraman has asked C. to start working on 6G and other futuristic technologies. Samsung, Huawei, LG and some other companies have started working on 6G. It is expected to be commercially launched between 2028 to 2030. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.